Say hi, Jeff.
Time. Hello.
These are chickens.
These are my babies.
I am sick and my throat hurts, so I sound really weird.
We couldn't upload videos at all last time. We tried to, but no, YouTube wanted to be a jerk to us and say, no, we have to be fully verified to do a 20-minute video. And I was like trying to discuss why we wouldn't make videos more often. Eat it. Gosh darn it, eat it.
Chickens don't like food. Okay. Oh, she's eating it off her.
Yay. Oh.
This is your
But
food.
anyway, we're back. And we'll try to make this.
I'm a horrible cameraman. Hold the camera.
Now give me this.
Look at your family. They run.
No one cares about you. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. No, you don't want to eat it? Okay, you're so mean. Now.
We'll try not to make the video as long as possible.
We'll try.
Runt, do not pluck at my phone.
Chick, chick.
Chick, chick. Chick, chick.
Well, we're just feeding chickens. And then we're going to try to make another video today. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of you.
Yay, Masky.
I'm so proud of you.
No one knows that Masky is definitely afraid of birds.
Well, you just told it. Okay. Don't pick my fingers off.
Look
But this is Chica.
This is
and
Runt.
this is Runt.
This is Runt.
I can't see her face.
She's nice.
Yes, this is Runt.
She's very nice. She likes food.
We're planning to get more chickens. And I will need everyone's help that watches. I will need people who watch this video's help on naming these chickens. Just cause I want help.
I want to give
And if no one gives names, then we'll just name them ourselves.
I want to give your chicken Korean names.
We can name one. We can name one Hanji. Hashtag Attack on Titan. Put hashtag Attack on Titan in the comments if you watch this video. Which I'm pretty sure no one will. Because we are not popular. Only some.
Chica's eating a plant.
Chica, what are you doing? Oh my gosh. You know what I realized? You know what I realized?
What?
Chica's got really big hips.
Yes. Not hips, thighs.
No, it's hips.
Caw.
These are weebs.
Weeb
These are weeboos.
Weeboo chickens.
And you will see why.
They like to
I had a full-fledged conversation with these chickens the other day about Attack on Titan. I'm not even joking. Here, Chica. No, you okay, yay!
Have we checked on our chicken nuggets?
No.
No, we haven't.
Oh, wait, we're being cannibals. Oh, no. It's okay.
Okay, this is gonna probably kill me.
What?
This is probably gonna kill me.
What? Yup, I'm helping you.
This is probably gonna kill me.
Then.
Her wing.